बोलो श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय
जय।
श्री राधा रमन भगवान की
जय।
श्री बाल गोपाल भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्रीमन नारायण। एवरीवन, welcome once more to Triveni Mandir Nitya Ravivar Satsang. Let us offer a few prayers to Bhagavan Shri Krishna as we go into our Katha this morning. Dhyeyam sada paribhavagnamabhishtadoham tirthaspadam shivaviranchanutam sharanyam भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपाल भवाब्धिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं वंशी विभूषितकरा नवनीरदाभा पीताम्बरा दरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्णा पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखा दरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर। बोल नंद गोपाल भगवान की जय, बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। मनवानी को पावन करने के लिए, to purify our minds and our voices, let us sing a bhajan sankirtan of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. मेरी अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण। मेरी अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण। परम उधार चतुर चिंतामणि, दरस परस दुखहारी। परम उधार चतुर चिंतामणि, दरस परस दुखहारी। अतुल प्रताप तनिक तुलसीदास, तनिक तुलसीदास मानत सेवा भारी। मानत सेवा भारी। अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण ओ गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण। जीत स्वामी गावती गोकुल नारी, गावती गोकुल नारी, कह वरनो गुण गात नाथ के, श्री विठ्ठल हृदय बिहारी, श्री विठ्ठल हृदय बिहारी, श्री राधा विपिन बिहारी, राधा विपिन बिहारी, अखियन के भूषण गिरधारी, अखियन के भूषण ओ बलिहारी, अखियन के भूषण ओ गिरधारी, अखियन के बोल गिरधारी भगवान की जय, बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री कृष्णा एवरीवन, एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्णा,
जय श्री कृष्ण।
Ever since Triveni Mandir has been opened, on Sunday morning, we always read from Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. Unless there is a special occasion, and then we have to read from the different Shastra, Kabhi Ramcharitmanas, Devi Puran during Navaratri. But if there is no special occasion, always on Ravivar we use Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. आज बंधुओं, आज हम पहुंच गए तृतीय स्कंद. Today we have reached at the beginning of the Tritiya Skand, the third chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. So how much time did we take? About 1.5 years. Bhagavad Puran has Dwadash Skand, 12 Skand, and now we are starting the third one. आइए बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. In these opening chapters of Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, there is a little bit of Mahabharata history that is here also. And today we are going to speak about Vidurji. Everybody knows Vidur. How many of you know who Vidur is? Raise your hands. There is a very famous bhajan everyone knows. How was the verse? दुर्योधन को मेवा त्यागो, साग विदुर घर आयो. When Bhagavan Shri Krishna came to Hastinapur, Shanti Doot ban karke, Yudhishthir sent him to make peace before the war. This is after their Banvas has concluded. So Bhagavan Krishna goes to try one last time because nobody wants a war. एक बार और केशव ने प्रयास किए हैं. When he went to Hastinapur, Bhagavan Shri Krishna कहाँ रुके? When you are a very powerful person and you are visiting a next city, so you stay at the home of powerful people. If you are very wealthy, then you stay at a very fancy hotel. So Bhagavan Shri Krishna Dwarkadish hai. He is the king of Dwarka. He is the family of the Kauravas and the Pandavas also. Where should he stay? Naturally, he should stay in the grand palace of Hastinapur. Lekin hamare Govind, he goes and stays at the home of Vidurji. Kyun? Vidurji is somebody who is pure. He is the Bhakt of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. And those who are currently occupying the home of Hastinapur, the Raj Mahal of Hastinapur, वो सब महापापी लोग हैं. It means that आपका घर जितने बड़ा हो सकता है, doesn't matter how big and how fancy your home is, Bhagavan Krishna stays in that place where purity and devotion resides, not where money and fame and pomp and splendor is. He does not stay at the home of Duryodhan. He goes to the home of Vidurji. Vidurji chonkai, when he sees Dwarkadish appearing at his home, that day his Dharmpatni only made a little bit of sag. Sag means bhaji, you say in Guyana. So Vidurji said, Bhagavan, if I'd have known you were coming, everybody knows Bhagavan Krishna likes to eat chappan bhog, 56 different sabji. In Guyana, we are so proud of our 7 curry. Do you even know how to make 56 different curry or sabji? You don't even know 25. And Bhagavan Krishna, every day when he eats in Dwarka, they place 56 different foods in front of him. Vidur ji ne kaha, Sarkar, aaj to humne saag hi banaye. We have only made little bit of bhaji. So Bhagavan Krishna says, koi baat nahi Vidur. This bhaji is more sweet to me than all of the chappan bhog. Bhagavan Krishna stayed at his house. Parikshit ji, in Tritiya Skand, he asks Shukdev ji Maharaj, Kada va sah samvada etvadaranyana prabho. Hey Bhagavan, hey Gurudev, tasmin variyasi prashna sadhu vado prabhamrita. I have heard that Vidurji left Hastinapur at some point. Why did he leave? Nikalne ke baad kahan gaye? I heard that he met the great saint called Maitreya Muni. What did they discuss, these two great souls? Maitreya Muni was a Mahasant, or Vidurji kaun hai? Vidurji is the avatar of Dharmaraj. He is the avatar of Yamraj. Sakshat Dharmaraj Bhagavan hai. Dharmaraj was cursed that he will have to be born in the home of a servant on Prithvi Lok, and that is Vidurji. How did they come to meet? What did they discuss? And why did Vidurji come back to Hastinapur? These questions Raja Parikshit asked Shukdev ji Maharaj. Aiye bandhuon, Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran se. Let us go into this most beautiful katha as we reminisce of the Shri Mahabharata. Bratur Vishtasya Sutan Vibandhun Pravishya Laksha Bhavane Dada. Shukdev ji Maharaj कहते हैं, Rajan, you remember all of the atrocities that the Pandavas faced at the hands of the Kauravas. Lakshan Bhavane Dadaha. Laksha Bhavan mein jab gaye, they tried to set that place on fire and they tried to burn the Pandavas alive. Duryodhan tried so many times to kill Bhim. Yada Sabhayam Kurudev Devya Kesha Bhimarsham Sutakar Magukyam. You remember in the Sabha when all were present, इस सब के सामने द्रौपदी जी को निर्वस्त्र करने के प्रयास किए. They tried to disrobe Draupadi ji in front of everyone. They unfairly sent Yudhishthir and the Pandavas and Draupadi into exile. Yada va partha prahita sabhayam jagudguryani jagad Krishna. When the Pandavas finally come out of exile, then they refuse to give them what is rightfully theirs. So Bhagavan Shri Krishna, one last time, to avoid war between the two sides of this family, Jagad Guru Yani Jagad Krishna. Bhagavan Shri Krishna kaun hai? He is the Jagat Guru. Jagat means universe. All of us have a Guru. वो आपके परिवार के गुरु है, आपके कुल गुरुदेव है, कुल पुरोहित. And then you have Rashtra Guru. In the old days, every king would have a Brahmin or a sage advising him. Today you can call them national advisors. ये राष्ट्र गुरु होता है और फिर जगत गुरु होता है. One who is the guru of the entire world. Bhagavan Krishna commands this post because of what he has written in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Such a powerful and brilliant Shastra that applies to everyone in the entire world, even those who are not Hindu, even those who do not even believe that there is a God. आप भगवान श्री कृष्ण को भगवान ही नहीं मानते हैं, even then you can still see that the words written in this Srimad Bhagavad Gita are so powerful and so profound. Even if you do not believe in Bhagavan Krishna, you have to believe what is written there. Any logical person when they read this Granth. Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru. ऐसे जगत गुरु जब पधारे हैं इस सभा में. So every one of you knows that Duryodhan, he refused the request of Bhagavan Krishna. In fact, हमारे श्री कृष्ण की अपराध भी किए हैं. He insulted Bhagavan Shri Krishna. भगवान ने सबको विराट स्वरूप दिखाए. He showed all of them his great form. And then Bhagavan Shri Krishna left that place. निकलने के बाद Vidur ji was given the post of Prime Minister in Hastinapur. Vidur ji, who is the half brother of Dhritarashtra, he goes to Dhritarashtra and he says, Bhaiya, take my counsel one last time. Vidur ji क्या कहते हैं धृतराष्ट्र को? अजात शत्रु प्रत्यक्षदायम् अजात शत्रु प्रतिपक्षदायम् तितिक्षतो दुर्विषमतगा सहानुजो यत्र मृगोदराहि श्वसन्नृषा यत्त्वमलं विवेश श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे नाथे नारायण वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी नाथे नारायण वासुदेव पार्थास्तु देवो भगवान् मुकुन्दो पार्थास्तु देवो भगवान् मुकुन्दो गृहीतवान् स क्षितिदेव देव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे नाथेति नारायण वासुदेव हरे श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे नाथेति नारायण वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी अजात शत्रु प्रतिपच्चदायम तितीक्षतो दूरविषम त्वगा। विदुर जी कहते हैं युधिष्ठिर is not your enemy. Yudhishthir is not your enemy. Make peace with the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra sahanujo yatra vrikodarahi. उनके अनुज कौन है? Do not be afraid of Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir तो धर्म की प्रतिमूर्ति है, but be afraid of his younger brothers who follow him. Yudhishthir की अनुज कौन? Vrikodara. Vrikodara means Bhim. Bhimsen is somebody whose strength equals Hanumanji, equals Indra himself. और अर्जुन इंद्र के पुत्र है, the son of Devendra, who knows no equal in combat. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, when Arjun wanted to be the best archer in the world, तो his Guruji द्रोणाचार्य ने साफ बोला, अर्जुन तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. You will not be able to be the best in the world because Karna is more skilled than you are. So Arjuna said, Gurudev, tell me what needs to be done to be better than Karna. I will practice all day. Dronacharya said, but Karna also practices all day. So if you increase your skills today, he increases his skills today, you will never be able to close the gap. To close this gap, you have to practice day and night. From that day, Arjuna gave up sleeping. And he practiced in the day and he practiced in the night. That is why Bhagavan Krishna calls him Gudakesha. Gudakesha means one who has conquered sleep. Vidur कहते हैं भैया अर्जुन जैसे वीर भीमसेन standing at the back of Yudhishthir, if you do not make peace, they will destroy this kingdom, they will destroy all of your sons. Your sons have already insulted Draupadi. The Pandavas want to fight you. Yudhishthir is the only one standing between you and annihilation. Why do you not make peace? They have sent someone with a message who is considered God himself. Parthastu Devo Bhagavan Mukundo. Bhagavan Mukundo. हमारे बीच में श्रीमन नारायण चलते हैं. भगवान श्री विष्णु lives among us in this time of Dwapar Yuga. His name is Bhagavan Mukundo. Bhagavan Shri Krishna, he himself has come. Grihitavan sa Kshitidev Dev. Bhagavan comes in front of you and asks you to make peace, and still you want war. In Guyana you have a saying, wrong and strong. You have some people, the more wrong they are, the more loud they speak. That is called arrogance, devotees. That is called abhiman. That is called terrible, terrible pride. Whenever you have a little bit of power, a little bit of wealth, a little bit of health, and you treat other people badly, तो श्री हरि आपसे सब कुछ छीन लेते हैं. Bhagavan Vishnu takes everything from you. He takes your power, he takes your health, and he takes your wealth. Because that is the only way to humble you. Vidurji gives all of this advice to Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was not alone. Unke saath Duryodhan, Dusasan, Karna, all of them were there. Dhritarashtra said nothing when he heard these words. But Duryodhan became very angry. Kaen matro pajuhvah jihva dasyah sutam yadvalinaiva pushtah. दुर्योधन ने साफ साफ कहा, ये दासी पुत्र क्या बोल रहा है? This son of a maid, how dare he speak to us in this way? बंधुओं, I cannot tell you that story today because we don't have the time. But for those of you who know how the birth of Dhritarashtra, Pandu or Vidur, how these three brothers were born. So two were born to queens and one was born to a maid. But all of them are divine. All of them have divine blessings. Vidurji is the avatar of Dharmaraj. When he heard these words of Duryodhana. And today, I want you always to remember the reaction of Vidurji. If anybody will insult you, especially in front of other people, log ke samne koi aapko gali denge, so immediately you will return their insults. You will yell at them, you will shout at them, you will want to hit them. Jaise Vidurji ne suna, Dasyah Sutam, Duryodhan, who is his nephew, who is a little child compared to him. His nephew, standing in front of his father, who is Vidurji's brother, is insulting his chachaji, is insulting his tauji, and saying, you are the son of a maid. Who are you to advise us? Who are you to tell us to make peace? Jaise ye shabd sune hain, Vidurji ne kuch nahi bola. He says nothing. All he does, he bows to Dhritarashtra, says, Rajan, aaj ke baad hamare seva samapt. Today, this is my resignation. I will no longer serve as your prime minister. Jo bhi hoga, Bhagavan dekhe. Whatever happens, let Bhagavan sort it out. And he turns and he leaves Hastinapur. Vidurji ne pura shahar ko tyag diya hai. He leaves the entire city and goes on his own path. Bandhuon, if you are ever present in a sabha and somebody insults you, always leave that place immediately और कभी वापस मत जाओ. जहां आपके अपराध होते हैं, if you are able to fight, अगर आप क्षत्रिय हो, if you are a warrior and somebody insults you, so then your path can be different. लेकिन हम जैसे साधारण लोग के लिए, for us ordinary people, Vidurji gives us a lesson. Whenever you are insulted, leave that place. Vidurji, as he leaves, where does he go after he leaves Hastinapur? He was born in this city. This is his home. Vidurji, Swayam Dhanundvari Nidhaya Maya. Vidurji ne vichar kiya, because of the Maya of Bhagavan Vishnu, this is happening. So let me go to the place where Maya is not present. Gatavyatho Yadu Guru Manyana. Vidurji decides, I will go to all of the Tirtha Sthan of Bhagavan Shri Hari. Jahan Prabhu ki mandir hai, that is where I will go. He takes no horse, he takes no chariot चल करके विदुर जी निकल गए. He goes on foot. सुखदेव जी महाराज कहते हैं अलक्षित स्वैरवदूत वेशो व्रतानि चेरे हरितोषना. व्रतानि चेरे हरितोषनानि. We keep व्रत few times in a month. जब एकादशी आता है then we keep our व्रत. विदुर जी ने व्रत रखना शुरू किए. He kept the व्रत every day. He stopped eating normal food. He will only eat fruits. और वो भी कैसे फल? As he is traveling, those fruits that fall from the tree. मतलब he will never take the fruit off of the tree. अगर ये फल स्वयं गिर गया, only if the fruit already falls. सुखदेव जी महाराज कहते हैं तब ही विदुर जी उस फल को खाएंगे. Only then he picks it up and eats it. Drinking water only from the streams. Vidurji, he does not go into anyone's home. He sleeps outside. He prays outside. He goes and visits all of the mandir of Bhagavan Shri Hari. Vratani chere Hari toshanani. Vidurji, in this way, he worshipped Bhagavan Vishnu in whichever way he knew how. Bol Satchidanand Bhagavan ki jai. Next week Sunday I will tell you the katha of when Vidurji now will meet this great saint Maitreya Muni. आइए कथा को विश्राम करने के लिए एक और भजन गाए. Let us sing a bhajan for Bhagavan Shri Krishna as we conclude our katha this morning and prepare for Aarti. जैसे विदुरजी व्रतानि चेरे हरितोषनानि, the same way Vidurji is praying to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. आइए हम और आप भी ठाकुर जी की सानिध्य में एक भजन गाए. लागत है मोहे प्यारो यादोवर, लागत है मोहे प्यारो, लागत है मोहे प्यारो, लागत है मोहे प्यारो. Everywhere Vidurji is going, he is constantly singing the praise of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. He is constantly singing the praise of the Bal Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. हम और आप भी गाते हैं. मथुरा में हरि जन्म लियो है, 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 गोकुल में पगधारो, गोकुल में पगधारो. लागत है मोहे प्यारो यादोवर, लागत है मोहे यमुना के तीर धेनु चरावे, यमुना के धेनु चरावे, यमुना के तीर धेनु चरावे, यमुना के तीर धेनु चरावे, औरत काम बोल सच्चिदानंद भगवान की जय। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। बोल सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय।